Hey folks, the battle between the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P and the Insta360 Luna Ultra represents one of the most interesting matchups in the premium compact camera market. Both devices move beyond the traditional single-lens approach by incorporating dual camera systems, giving creators greater flexibility when capturing everything from cinematic footage to distant subjects. While both cameras target content creators, vloggers, travelers, and filmmakers who want professional-grade image quality in a highly portable package, they take noticeably different approaches to achieving that goal. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4P appears to be the more video-centric device of the two. DJI has equipped it with a large 1-inch CMOS sensor that promises exceptional image quality and professional-grade performance. One of its most impressive specifications is the claimed 17 stops of dynamic range, which is considerably higher than what most compact cameras offer. DJI has also introduced a new 10-bit D-Log2 professional color profile for the Pocket 4P. This feature is particularly attractive to filmmakers and professional editors who want maximum control over color grading in post-production. The telephoto camera on the Pocket 4P further strengthens its appeal. Featuring a brighter aperture than the Luna Ultra's telephoto lens, it should perform better in lower light situations while also creating a more natural background separation effect. Perhaps the most impressive feature of the Osmo Pocket 4P is its slow motion performance. DJI enables recording at up to 4K resolution and 240 frames per second, which is a specification rarely seen in such a compact camera. High-quality slow-motion footage can dramatically enhance sports videos, action sequences, nature shots, and cinematic projects. The ability to maintain full 4K resolution while capturing 240 FPS gives creators enormous flexibility without sacrificing image quality. Insta360 Luna Ultra, meanwhile, takes a different approach by prioritizing maximum resolution and photographic flexibility. Its standout feature is undoubtedly its ability to capture video in up to 8K resolution. This gives creators a tremendous amount of detail to work with, allowing aggressive cropping, digital zooming, reframing, and stabilization while maintaining excellent image quality. For creators producing content for large displays or future-proofing their footage, the Luna Ultra's 8K capability is extremely attractive. Insta360 has partnered with Leica for the Luna Ultra's imaging system, a collaboration that brings additional credibility to its photographic ambitions. The 1-inch Leica lens promises natural color reproduction, impressive sharpness, and cinematic image rendering. The Luna Ultra's strength lies in its versatility as a hybrid photography and videography tool. The high-resolution sensor enables creators to extract still images from video footage, crop aggressively without noticeable quality loss, and create content that remains exceptionally detailed even after extensive editing. However, the Luna Ultra does have a notable limitation when it comes to slow-motion recording. While it can achieve 240 FPS capture, it is restricted to 1080p resolution at that frame rate. For many users, this may be sufficient, but it falls considerably behind the Pocket 4P's ability to deliver 4K 240 FPS footage. Creators who regularly produce action-oriented content may find this difference difficult to overlook. Another factor worth considering is ecosystem and stabilization technology. DJI has built an outstanding reputation through its gimbal expertise, and the Osmo Pocket series has consistently delivered some of the smoothest stabilization available in a pocket-sized camera. Although the Pocket 4P has yet to undergo extensive real-world testing, DJI's track record suggests that stabilization performance will remain one of its major strengths. Insta360, on the other hand, has established itself as an innovator in computational imaging and intelligent software features. The company's editing tools, AI-powered reframing capabilities, and user-friendly workflow solutions have become major selling points for its cameras. Price and availability also play an important role in this comparison. The Luna Ultra already has an established retail price and global availability, making it an accessible option for buyers today. The Osmo Pocket 4P's international availability remains uncertain, which introduces a degree of uncertainty for potential customers outside China. Both cameras represent significant advancements in compact content creation technology, and each caters to a slightly different creative audience. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4P appears designed for filmmakers seeking professional video performance, while the Insta360 Luna Ultra targets creators who prioritize resolution, versatility, and future-proof image quality. As real-world reviews and hands-on testing become available, the strengths and weaknesses of each camera will become clearer. But based purely on specifications, both devices have the potential to become category-leading tools in their respective areas. Thanks for watching. What do you think about this comparison? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.